Hey guys, in today's lesson we are going to learn action group programming. In this video, program an action group to allow the TonyPi to lift. Firstly, program TonyPi to stand at the number 1 action. Click a button Open Action File. You can find the stand action according to the path. Click Open. Then you can find the corresponding data in action data list. Now, run the number 1 action to update the servo data in servo operation area. Program the second action to raise TonyPi's hands. That is, modify the data of servo in shoulder. Then click button Add Action. To make the action more natural, the number 3 action is the same as number 2 action. Here we continue to click Add Action and modify time to 200 milliseconds. Then click button Update Action. Now drag the sliders corresponding to ID6 and ID7 servos to program a lift action. Then modify the data of servo ID 14 and ID 15. Click button Add Action. Number 5 action is the same as the number 2 action. Therefore, we can place mouse in front of number 2 action and run this action to update the servo data in servo operation area. Then click button Add Action. The last action is to let the TonyPi's hands down. We can run number 1 action to update servo data in servo operation area. Click button Add Action. OK, the lift has been programmed. Now run this action group after programming. Please save the action group for future debugging. Click Save Action File. Name it such as wave lifting. And then click Save button. OK, this is the end of the video. Please have a try.